This is my cousin Abby doing a dancing and cartwheeling. Watch it hilarious. Okay. Okay. Yeah! Okay, monkey, get back on. Okay. Now cartwheel. Okay, I screwed up. Sorry, let me do my other one. Okay. Oh, I can't. One more time. Oh, I want to show you something. This is my dog's Halloween outfit. What is he, a basketballer? Basketball player. See, look. And that is our video. Gonna close it with this. She